Hi, my name is Jim Kreitman. I'm the CEO of Motherlode Co-Packing here in Hudson, Colorado. We're a food manufacturer, so we have to keep the place very sterile, and any kind of roofing issues become paramount. We have to close down operations, so it's very important. We have a 50,000 square foot facility, and we brought in Titan Applicators in order to help us get the job done. So we inherited an older building and we've gotten it from the inside. But what we didn't do is we didn't take care of the outside right away. Obviously, that's the kind of the first thing to do. You buy a lot of expensive equipment, put a lot of money into the interior, and hope for the best. Well, it wasn't the best. It was an older roof, metal roof. We had multiple leaks. We had different repair people out here on, I'm just going to say, a dozen different occasions, and they'd fix one thing and break something else, and then things that were fixed wouldn't get fixed, and it was just a nightmare. And the problem is, as I mentioned before, we're a food manufacturer. We cannot have any kind of water entering the manufacturing or even the warehouse part of our building. We generally used other professionals, and they were unsuccessful at fixing the problem. So it wasn't a matter of what our employees had to do was clean up. When we did have storms, when we did have snowstorms, when we did have anything happen, we'd have to clean the area where it came through, and then even sometimes have to capture the water so it wasn't getting into any of the products or any of the equipment. We looked at a variety of things. We looked at redoing the roof in its entirety. We looked at installing solar, which wasn't economical at this time for us because of the way manufacturing works. And we found it to be it was going to be incredibly expensive. B, there was a shortage of material that was going to push the project out, which would have been untenable for us because we've basically gone through 15 times our production in the last 12 months. So we're running quite a bit, so we don't have the time to really worry with this. We called Titan, and Titan Applicators were here in less than 2 weeks. They showed up every day on time. They came exactly when they said they were going to come, and the job was done early. If that's not a great, and it was done for a third of what we would have paid to put a new roof on. Where Hudson, just so you know, is east of the major part of Denver. We get heavy wind, we get hail, we get rain. We have had at least a half dozen severe storms since we had the Titan Applicators put our new roof on, and we've had zero issues.